guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Halloween set. So on the first nail, I am just doing some black hollow glitter as the base because I'm going to be putting some black rhinestones over the nail. I just don't want the natural nail color showing through. So now I'm capping that glitter in some clear acrylic just so I can build up the thickness and the strength. So after the first nail starts turning matte, I then go in and pinch it and I move on to the second nail. On this nail, what we're doing is a baby boomer, so it's just going to be an ombre from a color pink to a white at the tip. And I'm going through right now and adding the white. You just want to go about halfway up the nail and then kind of blend it upwards. It doesn't need to look pretty, you're going to cover it up, but you just don't want any really harsh lines. And then you go in with your cover pink and you put it kind of about where you want it, and then you blend just the edge downwards. You don't want to blend the whole bead all the way down, just the edge of it, kind of feather it down. Sometimes you might need an extra bead, just depending on how big of a bead you got the first one. Same rules apply, put it kind of where you want it and then blend just a little edge downwards. And then after that's done, you're of course going to go in and cap it in clear. And then I'm going to not show the next two nails, they're the same as this one, so same rules apply. So once all of the nails are pinched and cured, you then go ahead and file and buff them, and then I go in with a lint-free wipe and some pure acetone to remove the last of the scratches that are left over. So now I'm going in with the black crystals, and I'm just using a wax pencil to apply them. I am focusing the bigger crystals towards the center of the nail, and then as I go outwards in every direction, I get smaller until the whole nail is filled up. So now I have top coated all of the nails and I'm just going in with a black gel to do all of the nail art. Alright guys, and this is the finished set. So let me know what you think down below, and if you like them, maybe leave a fancy like and fancy subscribe.